Assalamualaikum, hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is DIY with Madika. So in case you're new, so please do like, share, subscribe. So today we're going to make coffee and in microwave oven. So I'm using Donlands company, so I don't know about you guys, but it's very easy to do it. So need milk, coffee and sugar. These are only three ingredients that we need it and that is necessary. So it will depend if you're using now in South Africa. I think that is Nescafe and other brand have available, so you can add only 1 teaspoon, and teaspoon not tablespoon, please guys, don't confuse with that, okay? So you only need only how 1 teaspoon, that's enough. So but if you like it strong, so that will depend on you guys. So as you can see, I'm adding all the ingredients together, and this milk is cold, okay? This is a cold milk, I didn't boil it, so I'm just gonna put it in oven and from there it will boil for itself, okay? And now I'm gonna place it inside, and this is Downlands, so I'm gonna select automatic coffee, and from there then set the weight, and then let the Downlands microwave oven do the job. As you can see, countdowns begin. So if you're using microwave only, so you're gonna, that will depend on the high power that you're using, but you can set it for 1 second only. But if you're using low power, so you can add 30 seconds extra. So as for me, this is automatic and this is ready. Now I'm gonna serve it with biscuits. So please guys, enjoy it. And please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. I love you. See you guys next time.